Ever wondered what the future holds for mortgage rates? Well, you're not alone. These rates are the heartbeat of the real estate market, pulsating with every ebb and flow of the economy. Recently, they've been on a roller coaster ride, peaking near 8% last fall but trending down overall. It's like trying to predict the weather, a bit of an enigma. Hold your breath because experts are predicting a downward trend this year. Exciting, isn't it? So what's the word from the wise? What do our experts say? Well, the general consensus is that mortgage rates, which have been on a downward trend overall, might just continue to fall. In fact, some experts are even predicting a dip below the 6% mark later this year. Quite the contrast to the near 8% peak we experienced last fall, wouldn't you say? Let's delve a bit deeper into these predictions. The reasoning behind this anticipated drop? A combination of factors including market trends, economic indicators, and not to mention the projections from Fannie Mae. Yes, the very same Fannie Mae, a leading source of financing for mortgage lenders, suggests a potential rate below 6% by the end of the year. That's a strong vote of confidence in declining rates, and a clear indicator that now may just be the perfect time to secure your dream home. But let's not forget, while these predictions are based on expert opinions and sophisticated models, they're not set in stone. Market fluctuations are a given, and rates could swing in either direction. However, focusing on the bigger picture, the trend seems favorable for potential homebuyers. But remember, while we can speculate, nobody has a crystal ball. Market fluctuations are expected, but the bigger picture suggests a favorable trend. So, keep your eyes on the prize and seize the opportunities as they come. After all, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Wouldn't you agree? So what does this mean for you future homeowners? Well, the current state of the market is like a ripe apple ready for the picking. With mortgage rates already lower than the near 8% peak we saw last fall, jumping into the housing market right now could supercharge your purchasing power. Now I know what you're thinking. Should I wait for rates to dip even lower? But here's the thing. While some experts predict rates could go below 6% later this year, remember that the market is a roller coaster, not a predictable slide. A dip below 6% would be fantastic, no doubt. But the key takeaway here is that rates are already lower, and that's a great reason to act. So don't just stand on the sidelines waiting for the perfect moment. Don't just dream about your ideal home, make it a reality. It's time to start your home buying journey today. After all, a year from now, you'll wish you started today.